For more than 25 years, 2020 Technologies has been serving the interior design and furniture manufacturing industry. We think about the industry as a whole. We really think about the process from the time a customer has an idea till the time that idea gets delivered. And we've developed an understanding of best practices from our exposure worldwide to all the different ways that manufacturers create and sell and distribute their products. We bring not only a depth of knowledge, but a passion for making furniture as we partner with you to develop the best solution for your business.
We helped one customer double the number of special products that they produce without increasing their staff. We helped one customer open 3 new retail locations while at the same time reducing their order processing resources by 80%. We've seen clients reduce administrative costs by 25% and direct labor costs by 12%. We helped one kitchen manufacturer make a complete transformation from a make-to-stock, low-end product to make-to-order, semi-custom product. We assisted them in the lean transformation that reduced their inventories by as much as 40%, reduced their lead times, and allowed them to address a whole new market with a higher profit margin. We really want to maximize the effectiveness of what has made you successful already. Really, our goal is to solve real problems throughout that whole information supply chain, from the time the customer engages on somebody's website to the time that part needs to be machined on a CNC to the time that the product needs to be delivered and installed. We have what we call the end-to-end solution where, the same data that the customer starts out with when they engage with the retailer is data that's used in manufacturing to fulfill that customer's request. When we started building Insight, we built it with the whole process in mind. And so Insight as a solution covers the entire life cycle of an order. Your order management, materials, purchasing and inventory, your business intelligence, production control, shop floor planning and execution, shop floor tracking, your CNC integration, your installation. We want to streamline and automate the repetitive tasks. It's also about distributing the data at the right place to the right person at the right time, but also take the richness of data that happens in a business every day and allow it to be utilized for decision making and rolled up in a way that upper management can understand and take the pulse of their business and make long-term decisions based on real history that allows you to really drill down and understand things like what is selling, what's not selling, what are your profit margins, how do I make more money, how do I sell more products, how do I improve my products to meet market demands and to satisfy my customers, how can I attack new market opportunities or new sales channels. Our goal is really to make it as painless as possible in the manufacturer so that they can focus on running their business and focus on improving their business.